because we will discuss about this Microsoft Office now. Okay. So Microsoft Office, when I'm just talking right now, definitely it consists of a range of option in front of, because now we'll discuss everything in practical context. Okay. So as we know that when we discuss about this MS Office is basically nothing but a tool through which you can actually manage your functionality, you can manage your operations, and it is basically more about an interrelated application which we always use in the system, which include MS Word, MS Excel, MS PowerPoint, and other applications available for the same. Now, as you know that different MS offices having their own commands, on application, on tabs. Recently, I'm discussing this particular MS Office. You can see that this is a 2021 MS Office we're talking right now. Clear, guys? Okay. So, as you can see that under MS Office or under Microsoft, there's a basic application which they provide. Okay, which includes your calendar, Excel, family safety, forms, Office, OneDrive, OneNote, Outlook, People, and everything. These are the basic functionality you can find on the MS Office. Clear, guys? Now, I think today itself we'll start with a very basic concept how to start with the Office, first of all. Okay, so first and foremost thing, you must have a particular Outlook account or MS Office account with you. Clear, you need to install the Office from this particular tab, but make sure you must have a licensed version of MS Office. Clear, guys? Yes, students. Am I audible?
Audible, sir.
Yeah. So when I was talking about this particular component, that is about the MS Office will basically give you an interrelated application associated of your need. Now, first of all, you need to go for your Outlook. First of all, you will open your email on that. You will log in first of all if you want to access it online, because now it's more about a trend of how we can actually use MS Office. Fine. So, first of all, let's start with this. So, once you'll open this, you will find the number of application over here. Let's start with, I think, any one. Let's suppose start with the Word documentation right now today. Okay. And I'll just teach you all the points one by one in the upcoming sessions now. Now, definitely, when we are discussing about this particular, you could say, Word documents, definitely we have certain parameters to actually go for with it. Okay. So, in this particular, you could say, Word document, which we are talking right now, definitely you can see this is called ribbons actually. If you remember, I think so. This particular component is called your ribbons. Which component? I'm talking this component. Once you open this, you'll find the number of tabs over there. Review, view, help, editing, and so on. Guys, are you getting my point, please? This particular component is called your ribbons. Clear? Because ribbons basically will give you an idea about the different toolbars, okay, available in that, and these toolbars basically are placed and will help you in order to work on your Office system. Okay, so for example, if I'm please kindly mute yourself. Okay, so this is called your ribbon tabs. This particular portion is called ribbon. This is called your ribbon tabs. What is ribbon grouping? Because if I'm clicking on home, all the option which is reflecting over here is called your ribbon groups. It is called your ribbon groups. Insert having different ribbon groups, layout having different ribbon groups, references having different ribbon groups, review having different ribbon groups, view having different ribbon groups, help having different ribbon groups. Clear, guys?
Clear, sir.
Clear? Okay.
Yes.
Now, when I'm just moving to this particular documentation about Word, okay, so first and foremost thing, you have certain things when it's come to file, when it's come to home and all. Once you open the file, definitely you have multiple options available over there. Okay, these particular, you could say, multiple option when we are talking right now, these multiple option basically will talk about your ribbon tabs. That is called ribbon tabs. Okay, this ribbon tab, the first one I'm just talking right now, that is called your file button. Okay, so file button will give you an option for, you can say, new, open, information, save as, export, print, and other options. You can say that. That is comes under file option. Okay, when we're talking about the home option, under home option, you will find that the different, you could say, clipboard options we have. We have fonts, we have font style, then we talk about styling, editing, numbering, bullet points. Then we talk about left alignment, right alignment, center alignment. They all will come under this. You can see that. Okay. It is all about the formatting tool. Here, we will talk about this numbering galleries. Here we'll discuss all this point. I'm discussing right now. When you go to insert, we have the option again, pages, tables. Then we talk about pictures, links, new comments, header, footer, page number, any symbol you want to incorporate, any emojis, any add-ins, if you want to go ahead. Okay. Then we have layouts, margins, orientation, size. Indent left is all about settings when it's come to printing part. Okay, spacing before. If you need to line spacing, I'm talking right now. So if you're going for any line spacing, that will also be the part of your layouts. Okay, then we have references. References includes your table of content. Table of content include all this part. Okay, I'll discuss one by one all these things today. Then we have insert footnote. Okay, so accordingly you will find this option and you can insert whatever things you want. And these footnote basically will give you the complete idea about that. Okay. So if you just see this, I have just inserted, I think I didn't save it actually. So you will find out the insert footnote option as well. And let's give it to detail written on, I think. Then we have the review option available. The review will basically give you about the idea for proofing, language, comment, tracking, comparison, projecting. All this will come under proofing part. And then we have the view. Okay. The view will basically give you an idea about document view, zoom, windows, macros, all will come under view options. Clear? Clear, guys? I hope so. Till this point, everything will be clear. I think it is called ribbons and ribbon buttons and ribbons.
Clear, sir.
So, next one, we are actually going for discussion of all these points one by one. Okay. So, if we are going for this particular part, that is called undo redo part. Okay. Undo redo means any activity if we need to delete or which need to, it is called Control Z as well, the short command. Okay, so undo redo option you will find over here. Guys, make sure one thing, because the latest version I'm just discussing right now. So in your system, it may look different as well. Okay, or even if I have that word, I think, yeah, it may also look different as well. Just let me open that, I think. Yeah, it is looking different, very different right now. Okay. So I think I can teach you from this as well if you want. Is it visible, I think, guys? Because this is my
Yes, sir.
Okay. So that will also, I think this is something which may, I think, suits to other individual as well, because that is the live link available with us. Clear? So you can say file, edit, view, insert, format, tool, table, window, help, etc. In this way, you will find it over here because it's an application I have. Fine. And then we have the home page. You can just click it. It can be hidden as well. It can be shown as well. Okay. So this is the option actually. Keep text only, paste option, paste special. What is paste special? I think first of all, let me just show you first of all this particular part. Let us suppose if I'm just copying any data from any other sources, and if I want to text unformatted, there is no changes in that, in respective of any formatting in terms of words, fonts, color, whatever. If you want to keep it as it is, we will paste. And if you want to paste the link, okay, if you want to paste the link would also be available so that you can see that. I just recently copied one link actually. The link can be as it is copied. So the paste option will basically work either for text or either for, you could say, in link if you want to copy or if you do not want to make any changes with our content. So you can see that it can not relate it. Clear, guys?